Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I am going to show you how you can add products to your Shopify store, how you can adjust the price, how you can write the description, and how you can edit the image in Shopify dashboard. So this is a beginner guide, and if you have just started your Shopify store, this guide will help you to make your product section even more better. I have just made a free Shopify guide. If you want that guide, just check the link in description and download it for free. So without further ado, let's get started with adding the product to our Shopify store. So this is how our Shopify dashboard looks like when you first open your dashboard. Then we go straight to the product section and I will go to add product. Now the first thing we have to add is product title, and this title should be matched according to the keywords in your niche. You can check those keywords by using the Ahref, SEMrush, and there are plenty of other tools which you can use to track keywords in your niche. So I am going to add the headphone and I will add the title here. Then we come to our second most important part, and which is product description. So apparently anyone coming on your product page will first have a look on your product photos and then he wants to know more about your product. So your product description should answer his basic questions in first two lines. That question can be a solution your product is solving, or can be a product quality which make your product unique from competitors. And then you should include some benefits of your products and also some shipping and packaging info if you can add. So I have written down my product description already. I will simply paste it here. And then we come to our most important part, and which is our product photos. So you should take your product photos in white background so that you can later on edit product photos using Canva. If you want to add any text, or if you want to change your product background to put it in sliders or banners. And always make sure to take clear photos of your product and take it in all angles. So I will add my product photos here, and then you can drag them to make any photo as your product thumbnail as well. Like I am dragging this picture, so this will show as a major photo of my product. Now coming to pricing part, always check your competitor prices before pricing your product. You have to include your discounted margins, your shipping price, if you are going to offer free shipping, and also few more things like advertising cost per product and how much does it cost actually from manufacturing or from your supplier. And if your products are on sale, you can put your actual price here in compared price, and sale price should be here. So it will show basically how much you have discounted your product from actual price. And below is cost per item section, and you can use this section to calculate your margins. For example, my product cost is $228, so my margins will show here when I will put my actual price, and it will show my actual margins. There is a section to track the quantity of your stock as well, and if you don't want to track, like if you are doing drop shipping, then unselect this part. If you select this part, then make sure to update the inventory, like how much units you have right now. And you can also select this option when you are drop shipping, because if this option is enabled, your product will show as a sold out and customers would not be able to place the order. If your product has an SKU, you can also put it here, and the next time when your products are back in stock, you can simply find the product in Shopify dashboard with product SKU to add the inventory. And next is the shipping part, and you can put your product weight here if you want to calculate shipping prices at checkout. Because when product has more weight, obviously shipping prices are going to higher. And at the end, it's variant section which you can use if your product has more variants like color, size, or material. And after adding any of the variant, you can also price each variant individually. And in the last, on the right side, we have sections where you can add product to any collections you want to. I will show later on in other videos how you can create collections for your products. And also you can add some tags which are better for SEO. And at the end, make sure the product is active and you can save the product. The product will be live on your store now. So guys, this was all for today. If you have any questions, please do mention them in comment section below. Make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel, as it will help in algorithm. I will be back soon with more useful content for you. See you.